A transportable work surface used for various tasks and environments, such as building and maintaining various industrial and commercial items, is referred to as a portable workbench, worktable, worktop, or bench. It can be identified by its flat, smooth surface design, which has a variety of attachable and removable components to support workflow improvements and productivity. There are many products available for portable workbench to choose from, each with different quality features, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable workbench from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. Don't forget to check my description for price and other information. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Keter Portable Folding Work Table. The Keter Folding Portable Workbench Sawhorse simplifies your home improvement process and is the essential odd job tool. Designed for DIY projects, home improvement, table saws, and even your worksite. This work table includes two 12-inch clamps made for securing most project materials. With dimensions of 33.5 inches long, 21.7 inches wide, and 29.7 inches tall, this slim, foldable table is designed to be stored easily and fit into your workspaces seamlessly. Just fold up your workbench, grab the sturdy carrying handle, and take your tabletop workshop with you. Made of heavy-duty resin and aluminum legs, this workspace has a capacity of 1,000 pounds, and will let you begin with your typical birdhouses, and graduate to even bigger and heavier projects. The weather-resistant polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting, making this a garage staple designed to stay. For seasoned handy homeowners and beginners alike. Get your home workshop up and running with the Keter 197,283 folding tool. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Workmate Portable Workbench. With the ability to hold up 350 pounds, the Workmate Workbench with eyes is a great addition to any workshop. Features a durable steel frame and adjustable swivel pegs that easily clamp awkward shapes. The portable workbench has a durable steel frame and wooden vise jaws. Sturdy construction of the garage workbench holds up to 350 lbs. Compact, lightweight design folds flat for easy storage. Adjustable swivel pegs easily clamp irregular shapes. Jaws resist warping and can be angled to accommodate uniquely shaped materials. Parallel clamping. 4 to 5/8 slip-resistant feet help prevent sliding. The Workmate 125 holds a robust 350 pounds on its work surface. Open and close the Workmate with the dual clamp cranks, which offer increased clamping force and versatility. The rubber non-skid feet prevent the unit from sliding around as you do your projects. At only 15 pounds, you will get portability without increased fatigue. Folds flat for easy storage. The Workmate 125 includes 4 swivel pegs for added versatility and reliability in clamping different materials. Number 3. Geowrench Adjustable Height Mobile Work Table. The Geowrench Mobile Work Table is ideal for any garage or shop for quick and easy access to the tools and parts you're working with. The 20x30 tray table adjusts to any height between 35 and 48 for maximum convenience. Built with durable 18-gauge steel, the top load tests to 125 pounds at the center of the tray. The tray table also includes compartments to keep small items safe while being transported. The 3 casters allow you to move the mobile work table around the entire shop with ease. The Geowrench Mobile Work Table allows you to handle any job with your tools within easy reach. Although not technically a workbench, the low weight and rolling casters of this Geowrench table make it a great choice for those more interested in increasing tool availability than establishing a dedicated work surface, since the wheels don't lock. Topped with Number 4. WorkPro 48 Adjustable Workbench. Exceptional strength and stability. Constructed from robust 1.3mm steel, this workbench endures extensive testing at 2,000 pounds for 6 months, ensuring unmatched strength and stability. With a reliable load capacity of 2,000 pounds, it guarantees unwavering support for your projects, making it the ideal choice for heavy-duty tasks. Premium and sustainable materials. FSC certified solid wood rubber tabletop, 1 to 3/16 inches thick, ensure comfort and safety under heavy loads. 48 inches by 20 inches tabletop offers ample room for projects and tools. Utilizing eco-friendly transparent coating enhances durability for a longer product lifespan. Choice with responsible wood sourcing for environmental conservation and ethical practices. Height customization for optimal comfort. Tailor your work experience with the Workbench's adjustable height range from 31 to 12 inches to 39.38 in. This feature allows you to create a personalized workspace, ensuring ergonomic comfort during prolonged periods of work. ETL certification power strip. We fitted a power outlet for the Workbench. Convenient for you to use a variety of power tools and lamps. There are 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports on the power strip. And the socket is ETL certified for safety and durability. Effortless assembly. Clear instructions and video guide help assemble the Workbench in 10 minutes. Kit includes all you need. Our expert customer service team is ready to assist with any workbench issues. Number 5. LT18 Heavy-Duty Adjustable Work Table, Stable Construction. The adjustable mobile work table with drawer built by heavy durable steel, our 220 pounds capacity work table, is so durable. Adjustable height ranges from 36.6 to 49.6 inches, telescoping post control. The spacious 29x20 tray is outfitted with rubber work surface liners to ensure your tools will stay put while you maneuver the tray, though your workspace. Versatile complement. This versatile work table includes drawer and top tray liner for air tools, screwdrivers and pry bars. 360-degree rotation wheels for heavy-duty swiveling casters, allow for 360 degrees movement. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. To get more information or if you want to know product price, do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.